for this.
Rowing!
All right, we're ready to go. Mark just went through his checklist.
Oh, I failed at it. I gotta start over.
Oops, he forgot his pants. Right, we're ready to go. What time is it, Mark?
4:23.
All right, 4:23. We're doing good. We're hoping to be out by 4.
Did you take my... Oh.
And here we go. Let's see what it looks like outside. All right.
Almost forgot my coffee, honey. Oh my
God, don't forget that. Got the light. Excellent. Watch your step.
We always forget something. I wonder what it is.
We are driving to the Blue Fiesta into Albuquerque. So we decided to catch the park and ride at Cottonwood Mall. We hopped on school buses and they got us there really fast. Really glad we did this because we heard on the news that evening that there were some backups that went back like 25 miles. They probably missed the dawn patrol. So we have arrived about 5:15 in the morning, and look at all these people. We're not the only crazy ones.
Coffee cups, jewelry, stuffed animals, snow globes, fancy shot glasses, wind spinners, and fine pewter collectibles.
There he is, his purchase. One of the really cool things is you get to be right down on the launch area. Because of their 45-year safety record, they're the only balloon and aviation event where you can actually walk among the balloons and talk to the pilots. You just have to be careful to not step on or over any balloons. You know, just be courteous. Watch your step. The balloons here are called the Dawn Patrol. The Dawn Patrol pilots take off in the dark and fly until it's light enough to see landing sites. Fellow balloonists really appreciate the Dawn Patrol because they can watch the balloons and get an early idea of the wind speeds and the directions at different altitudes. Plus, it's just so darn beautiful. One of the reasons they have such a great safety record is because of these people in the referee outfits. They clear the area, and they also give the pilots the signal on when it's time to lift off.
Ooh, look at that balloon.
Just a little afternoon, and the Balloon Fest morning session is done. We went to the Balloon Museum, which was really good, and rather than looking at my ugly mug, Sue can go this way and show the museum in the distance there, but then she's going to turn around and show you how dramatically the field has changed, because just a matter of 4 hours ago the field had, I don't know, 350 balloons on, all taking a turn, going up and off, and that's the way it looks. And in probably about 4 to 5 hours, it'll start filling up again with another 350 balloons. But the best part is coming up, because as you'll notice to Sue's right, we have the wee old honey wagon coming in to make sure all of the RVs are empty and ready to be filled up again by their customers. Over and out. Okay, so we must have liked the first session of this Balloon Fest today, because you'll notice in the parking lot that we're in, parking lot ZZ4, there's 3 additional cars in addition to ours. One of them was the poop truck driver, the other one was the supervisor of the poop truck driver, and then the other person is one that mans this gate. You know, this is disgraceful, because I'm really hungry right now, and that was an awesome burrito at one time. But there's no napkin and there's no plate. Now you'll notice I came prepared. I do have napkins in my pocket, and now I'm really corked, because if you look over here, here's a funnel cake that does have a plate, and I do have a napkin, and I have coffee in the car, and funnel cakes are my favorite. So I guess, what the heck? Alright, let's go, honey. We can split it. You gotta save money when you're RVing.